To make sure your V-brakes work their best, you need to make 3 adjustments. Brake pad position. For maximum braking power, the entire surface of the brake pad should make contact with the rim. If it's positioned too high, the pad might rub against the tire, slowing the wheel and causing premature tire wear. If it's positioned too low, not the entire surface of the pad will touch the braking surface, which can lead to uneven wear and might cause the pad to get stuck at the bottom of the rim. Caliper position. Proper adjustment of the brake arms means the rim should be evenly spaced between both brake pads. This ensures that when the brake is applied, both pads make contact with the rim at the same time. However, sometimes the tension in one or both of the brake arm springs can change, leading to uneven spacing between the arms. As a result, one of the brake pads might begin to rub against the rim, slowing the wheel's rotation. To fix this, there are balance screws that can be used to center the brake. The balance screws are located on the side of each brake arm. Turning the balance screw on one of the arms clockwise increases the tension on the spring in that arm, causing the brake pad on that side to move further away from the rim and bringing the pad on the opposite side closer to the rim. Turning the screw counterclockwise reduces the spring tension, causing the pad on that side to move closer to the rim and the pad on the opposite side to move further away from the rim. Cable tension. Proper cable tension means that when you pull the brake lever, the cable has enough tension to press the brake pad against the rim and stop the wheel. If the brake cable tension is too low, the brake lever will pull all the way to the handlebar, but the brake pads won't press hard enough against the rim, and the brake won't fully engage. To adjust the cable tension, use the barrel adjuster located on the brake lever. To bring the brake pads closer to the rim, turn the barrel adjuster counterclockwise. To move the pads further away from the rim, turn the barrel adjuster clockwise. Tools required for the job: a Phillips screwdriver, a set of Allen keys, cable cutters, and a pair of pliers. Before starting, make sure the wheel is properly secured and there is no side-to-side play. If you need help with repositioning and tightening the wheel, watch my video here. Ensure that the wheel is not out of true. If needed, I have a great video here that will show you how to true the wheel. Links to these videos can also be found in the description below. Release the cable at the pinch bolt. Turn the barrel adjuster clockwise until it is fully screwed in. Check the rubber butt. If it's damaged or hardened, remove it or replace it with a new one. Now check the brake noodle. If it's damaged or bent, replace it with a new one. Inspect the brake pads for wear. If they are unevenly worn or have passed the wear line, replace them. Check out my video tutorial here if you need help with replacing the pads. Next, inspect the brake cable for corrosion or fraying and replace it if necessary. Watch my video here if you're not sure how to replace the brake cable. Finally, make sure that the brake calipers move smoothly. If they don't, you may need to consider servicing them. First, ensure the brake pads are positioned correctly. They should be placed so that the pads make full contact with the rim, with about 1 mm of the rim visible above the pad. To adjust the pad, press both brake arms against the rim and loosen the pads bolt. While holding the pad, gently release the tension on the brake arms, just enough to allow proper positioning. Once the pad is in the correct position, tighten the bolt slightly until you feel resistance. Then, while holding the brake arm, position the Allen key vertically. Place your index finger on the lower part of the pad in front and use your thumb to tighten the bolt. Tighten it slowly, ensuring the pad stays in the correct position. Finally, release the brake arm. Hold the pad with one hand and check if it's securely fastened. Check the other side and repeat the process if necessary. Stand facing the brake and attach the noodle to the bridge. Use your left hand to press the right brake arm against the rim, and with your right hand, press the left brake arm against the rim. While holding the right arm, use your left thumb to squeeze and hold the arms together. Now your right hand is free, you can place the cable under the fixing bolt. Gently release the arms about 6 mm and tighten the fixing bolt. If the cable tension is too tight, you won't be able to release the brake arms. If the noodle doesn't come out of the bridge, loosen the cable by a few millimeters. Check again and repeat the process until the noodle can come out of the bridge freely. If the cable is too loose, the brake lever will touch the handlebar when pressed. Tighten the cable by a few millimeters and check again. Repeat the process until the lever stops midway when pressed. Check if the brake arms move evenly. If not, locate the arm that is furthest from the rim when you release the brake lever. Then, loosen the screw on that arm by turning it half a turn counterclockwise. Press the brake and see if the situation improves. If the arms are still moving unevenly, tighten the balance screw on the opposite arm by a half a turn clockwise. Press the brake lever and check again. Repeat the process alternately until the arms move evenly. If you've installed the new cable, it's time to trim it. Leave about 4 cm of cable from the pinch bolt. Attach the cable end cap and crimp it using pliers, using either the crimping side or the tip of the pliers. Bend the cable and hook it behind the brake arm. And that's it! You are now able to easily adjust your V-brakes. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I'd love to hear if you found the information in this video helpful and how your experience was while adjusting the V-brakes on your bike. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I appreciate all your support for this channel. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing my videos with your friends. Cheers and see you soon!